see all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Since '06 I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me know. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I did love me.
Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again. So in today's video guys, we'll be just spending a day with me. First thing first, a friend called me and she told me her sister was graduating and asked me if I was available just to get her some flowers and chocolate because my friend is not around. She's quite far, so she could not make it to the graduation. So she asked me if I could surprise her sister. So that's what we will be doing. Just come with me as I go get the flowers, the chocolate. Yeah, come around with me guys. So here I was confused. I was like, what if I get one chocolate and it's not her favorite? So I was like, instead of getting one chocolate, let me just get different type of chocolate. Likely one might be her favorite. So instead of picking one, because she has told me maybe one big chocolate, I was like, no, let me just pick some different type of chocolate and just put them in a gift box and yeah, take them to her. And then I went and looked for a card and a gift bag. I won't show you guys exactly what I got for her, but here it's the bag. Now let's go get the flowers. A friend recommended this guy is located at Danka Plaza where Cool Beans is. She told me she's really good when it comes to bouquet and I was not disappointed. Oh, you can check her page on Instagram and I will also leave his number because he is really good, professional, right on time, good in communication. I was just happy. I love the flowers, so now let's deliver them. I love school that feed people. At least we had some biting, some cake. This is the school you should all take your kids to. So yeah, job done. It was nice. For some lights. So yeah, job done. It was nice.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer.
And so if you're in Mombasa and you're looking for a place to get affordable deras, I know normal deras is usually 550, 500, but this place they sell at a wholesale price. Dera mtoto unaweza kupata it's 100 or less than 100, and then dera mtu mzima it's around 400. So they have very good different type of design, amazing one. Deras at a very affordable price. So if you're in Marikiti and you're looking for a place to get good affordable deras, this is the plug. let me brag about my hair. I see my hair, guys. See how long it is. So let me not be selfish. Let me plug you guys to some amazing product that I've been using. It is called magical oil. The oil is just nice. It makes your hair grow. It adds volume to your hair. It's just an amazing product. This was me after washing my hair. When I wash my hair, it usually does shrink. This is the product that I've been using, and I really love the product. I will highly recommend if you want your hair to grow. Guys, kanisani kwenu mnapikiwanga chakula? So this is on a Wednesday. We usually have a course called Alpha Course. The purpose of me doing this is not about the course, but this amazing lady who usually cooks for us every Wednesday. She's just amazing. Guys, if you have a party, a birthday, and you're looking for someone to cook for you, please give her a call. She's your go-to. I love how clean and tasty her food is. Cleanness and tastiness. They're the thing that you should look when you're ordering your food for someone, and she does tick all the boxes. Her food is usually so nice. So kama uko na birthday, kama uko na party na unataka mtu wa kukupikia, please call her and check her out. You won't be disappointed. Tell me why my sister is deep frying bread. Deep frying bread. Umukate. Urukura karanga umukate. Ukaranga umukate. Imagine, guys. Guys, see? Bread. This is bread. Like a pizza. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Ooh, guys, see?
Look, my bread, guys.
Have you ever seen that? Jesus.
Auntie Jesus.
Okay. Ooh.
Guys, it's my stupidity.
Yeah, at least you know it's your stupidity. Ooh.
Guys.
You're going to eat this.
It's a small bread. You see?
Just chicken inside.
Guys, just chicken inside.
Enjoy your food. All being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So yeah, if you want to see more of Mombasa, let me know and I will see what to do. So thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know.